Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching method to hair length. For very short hair, choose halo or tape with thin wefts. Once ready, detangle and apply heat protectant to prevent damage. Create a low, secure base by sectioning the crown and clipping the top layers out of the way so you can work at the roots. Now position the extension close to the scalp, aligning the strip with natural growth. Press or secure the first attachment firmly so it won't slide. Once the first row holds, continue with horizontal rows spaced 1-2 cm apart, moving upward toward the crown. For very short hair, use small wefts, single-strand tape, or micro beads to avoid bulk. This distributes weight evenly and reduces slipping. Make sure each attachment sits flat and secure. Then blend by trimming the extension ends and point cutting around the face. This softens the line between real hair and extensions and creates a seamless, natural look rather than a blunt, obvious edge. Once all pieces are in place, test by moving your head and styling gently. This reveals any loose attachments. Tighten micro beads or replace tape strips that slip, and add a tiny weft to fill visible gaps. Make sure to lift at the roots with fingers when styling so short hair hides the weft. Avoid heavy oils near the scalp. If you experience persistent slipping, sore spots, or visible tracks, remove the problem piece and either refit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.